Ever wondered if the secret to flawless makeup application lies in your pantry? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take a whimsical journey through a rather unconventional makeup tutorial. First things first, reach out for that jar of peanut butter. Slather a generous layer all over your face. The goal? To achieve a dewy glow that will have you turning heads and possibly attract every squirrel in the park. Next up, immerse yourself in a cloud of glitter. Grab a handful of those shiny particles and just go for it. Aim for the eyes, because who doesn't want to sparkle like a disco ball, right? Now, let's get serious about eyebrows. Grab a permanent marker and channel your inner artist. The mantra for this step? Bold, exaggerated caterpillar brows. Don't worry about looking like a cartoon character, because, well, why not? Moving on to blush. Who knew cotton candy could double as a makeup tool? Rub it all over your cheeks for that sweet, rosy glow. Bonus, it's a handy snack if you get a little peckish. Time for the lips. Grab a Sharpie and draw a thick black line around the edges. We're going for a clown-inspired look here, so don't hold back. The key to this step? The messier, the better. Finally, set your masterpiece with a generous spritz of whipped cream. Not only will it hold everything in place, but you'll also smell like a delicious dessert all day long. And voila! You've now mastered the art of applying makeup in the most hilariously wrong way possible. Remember, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, so don't be afraid to embrace your inner clown. After all, a good laugh is the best makeup a person can wear.